Children, today we will solve a problem in trigonometry. Let's see a question. In triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. PQ equal to 3 centimeters and PR equal to 6 centimeters. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. Solution. Given PQ equal to 3 centimeters and PR is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, PQ and PR ratios equal to sin R. So, PQ by PR is equal to sin R. PQ is equal to 3 centimeters, PR is equal to 6 centimeters. So that sin R is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. In trigonometric ratios, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So, sin R is equal to sin 30 degrees. So, angle PRQ is equal to 30 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So, here angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Angle R equal to 30 degrees. And the remaining P will be 60 degrees. So, angle QPR equal to 60 degrees. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Draw a circle with radius 6 centimeters. AB chord. Given the radius of the circle, OA is equal to OB is equal to 6 centimeters and angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. OC is height from O upon AB and it is an angle bisector. Then angle COB is equal to 30 degrees. Consider triangle COB. Sin 30 degrees is equal to BC by OB. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. That's equal to BC by OB is radius. So 6. Then BC is equal to 6 by 2. That's equal to 3. But length of the chord AB is equal to 2 BC. That's equal to 2 into BC means 3. So 2 into 3. That's equal to 2 3s are 6 centimeters. Therefore, length of the chord equal to 6 centimeters. Evaluate secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees. Solution. From trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, cosecant A is equal to secant 90 degrees minus A. Cosecant 55, we can write cosecant 90 minus 35 because 90 minus 35 equal to 55. But cosecant 90 minus 35 equal to secant 35. So that cosecant 55 degrees is equal to secant 35 degrees. So that secant 35 degrees by cosecant 55 degrees equal to, from trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, cosecant 55 degrees equal to secant 35 degrees. So that we can write cosecant 55 equal to secant 35. So secant 35 by secant 35. That's equal to 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Solution. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. This is equation 1. From trigonometric identities, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is like a square minus b square. So that cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So that k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Transpose k from LHS to RHS, then cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. This is equation 2. Let's add 1 and 2 equations. Cot theta plus cot theta minus cot theta is cancelled. Then we get 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. LCM is k square plus 1 by k. This is equation 3. Now subtract 1 and 2 equations, then we get two cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k is LCM of k square minus 1 by k. This is equation 4. Now equation 4 is divide with equation 3. 2 cot theta by 2 cosecant theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 by k. Cancelled 2 and cancelled k. Then cot theta by cosecant theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. And cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. and cosecant theta equal to inverse of sine. So 1 by sine theta. That's equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now cancel sine theta. We get cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. If sin a minus b equal to 1 by 2, cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2, 0 degrees is less than a plus b is less than or equal to 90 degrees. Then a is greater than b. Find a and b. Solution. Since sin a minus b equal to 1 by 2, but in trigonometric sine ratios 1 by 2 is sine 30 degrees, so that sine a minus b is equal to sine 30 degrees. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. This is first equation. Also, since cos a plus b equal to 1 by 2, but in trigonometric cos values, cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. That's why cos a plus b is equal to cos 60 degrees. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. This is equation 2. We get a equal to 45 degrees and b equal to 15 degrees. If a, b and c are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that tan a plus b by 2 equal to cos c by 2. Solution. In a problem given that a, b and c are interior angles of triangle ABC, then a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. On dividing the above equation by 2 on both sides, then we get a by 2 plus b plus c by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. Now transpose a by 2, then we get b plus c by 2 equal to 90 degrees minus a by 2. On taking tan ratio on both sides, tan b plus c by 2 is equal to tan 90 degrees minus a by 2. From trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, tan 90 degrees minus a by 2 equal to cot a by 2. We get tan b plus c by 2 equal to cot a by 2. Express sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Solution. We can write sin 81 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees minus 9 because 90 minus 9 equal to 81 degrees. But from trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, sin 90 degrees minus 9 degrees is equal to cos 9 degrees. Now tan 81 degrees equal to tan 90 minus 9. 90 minus 9 equal to 81. So tan 81 is equal to tan 90 minus 9 degrees. But tan 90 degrees minus 9 degrees equal to cot 9 degrees from trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Therefore, sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees equal to cos 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. If cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6 degrees, where 7a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Let's do solution. In this problem, they given cos 7a is equal to sin a minus 6 degrees. But from trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, sin 90 degrees minus 7a is equal to sin a minus 6 degrees. Since 90 degrees minus 7a and a minus 6 degrees are both acute angles, therefore 90 degrees minus 7a is equal to a minus 6 degrees. Here transpose minus 7a and transpose minus 6 degrees from RHS. Then we get 8a is equal to 96 degrees, which gives a is equal to 12 degrees. If sin A is equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Solution. Given that sin A equal to cos B, this is first equation. But we know that cos B equal to sin 90 minus B. So we can write 1 as sin A equal to sin 90 minus B. If A, B are acute angles, then A equal to 90 minus B. If we transpose B, A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Question. Show that root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tan A. Solution. In this problem, root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is LHS and secant A plus tan A is RHS. So, let's take LHS is equal to root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. Here 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that's equal to 1 plus sin A whole square, and 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 square minus sin square A. From trigonometric identities, 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. In the place of 1 minus sin square A, we keep cos square A. Let's cancel root and square. Then we get 1 plus sin A by cos A. We can write 1 plus sin A by cos A as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We can write 1 by cos A as secant A and sin A by cos A as tan A. So, secant A plus tan A. So, this is RHS. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Solution. Which is given to us is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. From trigonometric identities, secant square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Is like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. In the problem, secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. In the place of secant theta plus tan theta, we keep P. Then we get P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now transpose P, then we get secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Let's do a problem. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta into cosecant theta. Solution. Here LHS is cot theta plus tan theta and RHS is secant theta into cosecant theta. Take LHS is cot theta plus tan theta. Here cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. By doing LCM of cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Here, from trigonometric identities, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So that we get 1 by sin theta into cos theta. We can write 1 by sin theta into cos theta as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Here, multiplicative inverse of sin theta is cosecant theta and multiplicative inverse of cos theta is secant theta. So that we can write 1 by sin theta as cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta as secant theta. So we get cosecant theta into secant theta, which is RHS. Prove that tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta is equal to secant to the power of 4 theta minus secant square theta. Solution. Here LHS is equal to tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta. Now take common in these two terms. Here tan square theta is common. So tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. From trigonometric identities, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So that tan square theta into secant square theta. With help of trigonometry identities, we can write tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. We can multiply these two. Secant square theta into secant square theta, secant to the power of 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta, secant square theta. These are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. Let us take a problem. If A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Given A, B and C are interior angles of right angle triangle ABC, then A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So, on dividing the above equation by 2 on both sides, then we get A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2. Now transpose A by 2. Then we get B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. On taking sine ratio on both sides, we get sine B plus C by 2 equal to sine 90 degrees minus A by 2. Here sine 90 minus A by 2 equal to cos A by 2. So that sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2.